Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Delete characters to make fancy string. So we are given with a string where a fancy string is a string where no three consecutive characters are equal. Given a string S, delete the minimum possible number of characters from S to make it fancy. Return the final string after the deletion. It can be shown that the answer will always be unique. So let us see the example one. Here we got S is equal to L triple E T C O D E. Now this E is repeating for three times. Now instead of taking it for three times, I just take it for two times and make L double E T C O D E as my answer string. Let's go to the next example. Triple A, B, triple A, and another A. Now I have A for three times. Instead of taking it for three times, I'll just take it for two times. After that, I'll take B and I have A for three times. Again, I'll take it for just two times. Now I got another A and I'll be pushing back that A again. But if you see, I am not like removing these from these three. I will remove this and I just consider the another A, not like that. Why? Because if this is having something like triple A, then it is not a fancy string. Why? Why? Because a fancy string is a string where no three consecutive characters are equal. So when we take a character, we need to check whether it is equal to the previous and the previous is equal to the second previous. So whenever, let me write it here, whenever we are pushing back pushing back a character, make sure the previous, like if we are pushing back ith character, or let it be previous, make sure the previous and second previous character not to be equal, character not to be equal. So remove an A from the first group of A's to create double AB, double A, double A. Remove two A's from the second group of A's to create double AB, double A. So while we are pushing back a character, we need to make sure it is not equal to the previous character and the previous character is not equal to the second previous character. Then only we will not get three consecutive equal characters. Now I have double AB. Do you see any three consecutive similar characters? No. So let us write the algorithm for this. First thing, I need to return a string. So I will just initialize a string answer as an empty string. Now, how can I just solve this with just one loop? So I will go through the given s, the given string, right? This is the main function. For I is equal to 0 and going till uh, n. Let n be the size of s. Let me write s dot size. Now, what I'm checking every time, instead of checking this s, I will check about answer. So, if answer dot size is greater than 1 and s of I is equal to answer of, let me take the size of answer as int sz is equal to answer dot size, right? Answer of sz minus 1 and s of I is equal to answer of sz minus 2. If this is the case, that means the current character that I want to push back and also the previous two characters are equal, then don't do that. Just skip that operation. Else, if not else, answer dot pushback push back s of I. So this is how you solve this problem, and after this loop we'll be returning the answer. And if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.